In this video, I will show how to hide zero values in Excel. So guys, if you want to show blank instead of zero, so you can try this method. As we can see, we have some zeros in this data, and to show the empty cell and to hide the zero, so click on File here, then More, and click on Options. Now Advanced and scroll down. Underneath display options for this worksheet, unselect show a zero in cell that have zero value. So unselect it, this setting, then click on OK. So we can see all the zero value is hidden. Again to show it, so same process, options and advanced, and here check this box, show a zero in cell that have zero value, then click on OK. So this is the way to show or hide zero value in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video is useful for you.